Okay, well, I just got to start this somewhere. This is, I bought a bunch of ZNTER batteries. Okay, and so these are the upgraded version of the ZNTER batteries. And I have a total of $397.50, not counting tax. So I bought, these came 2 pieces with cable of the C 750 milliwatt battery. So I got 3 packages of that for $67.50. Then I got 2 packages of the 11400 in the D, $48. Those 2 pieces each, so there's 4 batteries there. These are screenshots, by the way. So the next page is, and I got, this is what, 4 pieces times 2 for $90 of the 15,200 milliwatt. Then I got 2 packages of 2 for $54 of the 1.5D 11400. And down here I got, that was 2 by 2, so that was 4 batteries. And then down here I got 2 times 4, so that'd be 8 batteries of the 11400, or, well, whatever, I can't remember all this. That's why I take the screenshots. And then this is the last page, and I got another $100 worth of that, and then more C batteries. So that's it. So 1, 3, okay, great. So I'm good. So now let me take this thing off the bed. All right. Once again, I just shot a video about the belts being wrong or bad or whatever. So, well, here, let me just, oh, no, I have to lengthen the, wait, wrong one. Lengthen the feet. Okay. Here, do that. There you go. Tighten that. Tighten this. Tighten that. Okay. And back on the floor. Okay, so now, what am I looking at? I'm not looking at anything. Okay, so, alright. Alright, good. So this is, well, here, let's just take it off the tripod. It's easier. Okay, so here is my present collection of batteries and chargers and such. So I have bought more. I've got more of these. I got these inside of radios, but I can't remember which ones or where or whatever. But these are my first run of these batteries. Okay, so these are all these are brand new in the package still. So they, they charge like that. They come this way. These are the ZNTER batteries, right? It says ZNTER right there. Okay, great. So those are C's, D's, these are C's, so D's, C's, okay. They come with these things separately. But these are the, these charge with a micro A from the standard A USB plugs, alright, and there's just more of these. And then I started way back when with the, what are these? The Kentley batteries. Kentley, AA, AAA, I don't know why there's a cell phone in there. But anyway, so there's that. I'm just trying to keep all the rechargeable batteries together. And then, also with the Kentley, I got these with these are the Titanium, but they don't sell these brands anymore. But as you can see, they have the micro A slot, so you can charge them. And then I have the AAA with the same thing, okay. So I got some of those. Again, just showing those there. Okay, that's that and that. And then this is, again, I have very few of these Titanium models. These are only rated at 4,500, and these are rated at 3,000. Okay, so but the D batteries are rated higher. I don't have any D batteries loose handy. Anyway, so that's just what I want to say there. So here is the package that I got from there's a, anyway, so much for that. So I'm going to open this up on camera. Let me flip this around so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so wide out. That's it. There we go. So now, where'd my scissors go? Okay, so scissors. All right, so without showing the address and everything, but these came from China. Okay, so And this is a, you know, a sealed package with like that. Okay, so alright, so yep, there we go, great. And these are the upgraded versions of the same battery, except that they have a higher capacity. So the what is it, the D batteries, like I said, well, they're still 1.5 volts, but here we go. This says 6,000 milliamps, but some of these are, the C batteries are rated at 3,000 or 4,000 milliamps, and these older style are rated at 6,000, whereas the new ones here are rated much higher, like 2 and 3 times the capacity. So when I saw that, I was like, wow, we got a better version of these things. So I ordered, and then of course he had them on sale. So I bought all that he had at that time because I wanted to take advantage of the sale. So here we go. We have whatever that is, right? And here's, okay, so these are the C batteries, and these are rated 7,500 milliamps. You see that, and they're a different color. And these are, yeah, okay, and they're charged with the Type C connectors, right? And great. So here we go. Here's a bunch of Type C connectors. So they got the, you know, the Type A on the front, and they have the oval type thing. So I needed to make sure I told the guy I wanted to have at least one set of these for every set of batteries that I got. So I told him to give me 2 sets of 4. Well, maybe I don't know, haven't got them all, but so anyway, so there's that. There's a bunch of those. Here's more of these, and more of those, and more of these, and then we have a, looks like a separate box. Is it a separate box? Oh, it's a separate box. 2 boxes taped together. Okay, so I guess we just gotta get into this like this. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, yep. Okay. Yeah, so just 2 boxes taped together. So here we go. And then what was that? That was the mouse. No big deal. Okay. So then there's that. And here's this box. Voila. Okay, and then so now we've got, so let's see, we didn't, you can't really see all that, can you? Can you? Here, let's move the camera down. Okay, so these are, let's see, let's keep the one box separate. These are black cables with the C batteries, right? So, alright, so give me scissors. Alright, so we've got bubble wrap here. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. So there's that. Oh, okay, so these are D batteries. Alright. These are D. And more D. Okay, so we'll just chuck that over there. Okay. That. Now, I like these batteries because they output 1.5 volts across the span of their life of operating before going simply dead. And they have their own protection circuitry built into them and all that, but the thing is, these have a higher capacity than the green batteries that I started with. And since I'm playing my radios, you know, portably, I want to be able to have, so what do we have here? We have, that was that entire box. So in this entire box we have, these are the, okay, well those are the four C's and 15200. I can't see what this one is without opening the package. Let's call that 15200. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries, or 12 and 4. Okay, so now let's go to the next part of the box here. Next part of the box we have, okay, great. Alright, great. So he did include, oh, okay, great. So I've got 4. Okay, so I've got 4 of these. I haven't counted the batteries up, so I got 4 of these that have, again, the they have the Type C charging deals, but these are you know, Type A to Type C. So you understand how that works? Okay, great. So, and these should be different colors. We don't know. So again, this is more C's. So C's, and these are rated at 7500. All right, so 7500. Okay. So now we have 10 C's, and we have these other packages I need to unwrap. Okay, so great. And okay, all right. So these are the blue ones. And they're blue, and they're rated for what? Okay, these are the lesser rated ones. These are only rated 11,400. So it's 11,400. 11,400. Okay. And then we have, what else? Probably more of the same. Yeah. 11,400 and 11,400 are the blue. Okay. The last package is going to be what? Well, probably the same thing. Okay, so we have another 11,400 and 11,400. So we have a grand total of, get rid of this box, and the scissors, we can put that back. Of course, now these all need to be charged because they come, you know, not so charged. So we got 1, 2, like that, like that, like that, like this, like that, there's that, and then, okay, so we have, so the orange ones are the higher capacity, these are the middle capacity, and of course the old ones are the green ones, right? So the green ones are not the same capacity, if you will. But, okay, this says 11,400. This one, can't see it through the package. Yeah, you can, barely. It says right there. These are 6,000. These are 11,400. And then these are, let's see here. And these are 15,200. So, I wish I had a scale so I could weigh them. I don't have a scale to weigh them, but I really can't tell. But so these charge like that, okay, and these charge with the old style thing. You get the A, and these are the C charging things. So that's what's different about that. Nice that they color code them, so I can at least, and so I have what? So I have what? 6. Oh my goodness, so I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you got 10 of those, right? So here, okay, so here I have what? I have, oh gosh, you're all confused now. So we have, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 times 4, which is 16 to charge with a Type C. So 16, this is 4, 4, 4, and 4, so that's 2, that's 12. This will be 16, so that'll charge all those, okay? And then we only have what? We have 10 here, so, well, I guess he gave me extras of these things, I guess, but, is that right? Wait. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 of these. 10 times that, 10 times 2 is 20. So we could charge 20 batteries of these, you know, 2 at a time. Wait, here's one more. Here's like that. Okay, so wait. 1, 2, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of these things. That's 11 times 2. Alright, great. And then we have, that's 10. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 batteries. Well, someone miscounted. I don't know. But anyway, so I've got plenty of cables. I've got extra cables because I can't even remember what I had here. What do I have? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 of those batteries. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry, I had these over here. 18, 20, 22. So there's 22 of those, 6 of these. Anyway, so I've got enough. Wait, what did I say? 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 34. So I have 34, so 34, so let's see, what was this again? This was 11, right? 11 would be 22 batteries, 11, and then 22, 26, 30, 34, so I have an extra one. So that's how that comes out. I've got an extra one of these. I've got, what did I say? This was 22, 22, 26, 30, 34, that's the amount of batteries I have, 34 batteries, and then one extra cable. Okay, right. Well, I've had too much fun. At least I can, well, okay. Well, some of these are in plastic bags, some are not, but these are the kind that, you know, go with the old batteries, and these are the kind that go with the new batteries. So I kind of like these connectors better because you can just put them on either direction. I'm sure you understand that. Okay, well, I've had fun. All this is going to go in there, right? So we're just going to alley-oop all this into here. This is where we keep all of our rechargeable batteries. But this is what $400 worth of batteries looks like to power my boom boxes from here on, and so on and so forth. And there we go. Put the lid on. We're done. Go hide this somewhere. Okay, so that's all I know. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. When I have time to power more massively, powerful things like this right here, then I'll do that. All right. So thanks for watching. 18 minutes. Good day, bye. I've wasted too much time. I'm trying to catch up here on the stuff I've been doing. Thanks. Bye-bye.